Hey everyone, we're here at the Harrah's Casino and Hotel in Metropolis, Illinois. Today we have the junior suite for you, room 622. Let's head on inside. As we head inside, you have the bathroom here to your left. Dual sinks, dual mirrors, very nice bathroom. To the right of the sink area, you have your toilet. And to the left of the sink area here, you have your full-size soaking tub. Very nice shampoo, conditioner, body wash there for you. Next to that, you have the shower here. Also has the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and shower cap, everything you'll need. As we head back out into the foyer area, you have your full-size mirror here. And across from the full-size mirror, you do have a mini bar area, coffee pot, cups. The coffee pot is a little small, so if you're coming up here, you like to drink coffee, it might be best to bring a coffee maker. Down below, you do have a miniature fridge. Heading back in here to the bedroom area, you do have a king-size bed, 2 nightside tables, lamps and a clock, 3 drawers each table, and each lamp does have 2 USB chargers with a plug, so you can charge all your devices. Heading back around here, across from the bed, there's a mirror, and you have your TV here. TV does pull out, so you can swivel it around the entire room. And down below the TV, you do have your safe and storage. And on the other side here, you do have 3 additional drawers for more storage. Next to that, you do have your cabinet here, which has your ironing board and iron inside of it, followed by a desk right here next to it. They did give us these hand sanitizers, which is pretty cool when we check in. And next to the desk here, you do have a couch and table. And looking outside, you do have a river view here. Very nice. And while the hotel is needing some updates, it's still a very clean hotel room. They just need to update everything a little bit. If you liked our videos, give us a thumbs up and give us a subscribe, and we'll have more videos coming soon.